Hi, my name is Asha Nuruddin and I'm a student at Help University. I'm currently studying TESOL in hopes of becoming an English teacher. As the world has dramatically shifted to include technology in our lives over the past few years, education has followed suit. Now more than ever, teachers all around the world are incorporating more and more digital tools into their classrooms. One of the reasons for this is simply because students are shown to be more interactive and interested in their learning. It can also expose them to new skills and digital literacy that they will be able to use in the future. In addition to that, the multimodality can introduce students to different kinds of aspects of their thinking and encourage them to communicate more effectively. Now, on to the objective of this video. As a future teacher, it's important that we learn how to use these digital tools in order to implement them successfully in the classroom. Our literacy can ensure that classes will run smoothly and our students will have confidence in our ability as a teacher and role model. However, I know that it can be hard to do sometimes. There's so many digital tools out there and you may be confused as to which tool you should use or which tool is the best or where to start. In comes Socrative. Socrative is an online assessment and quiz app that's fun, easy to use, and best of all, completely free to all students. It's designed with attractive visuals that are clean and easy to navigate. In this video, I will show you a brief step-by-step on how to use it and highlight some of the cool features that Socrative offers. I hope that in doing so, it can show you how easy it can be to use and hopefully you can implement this in your own classroom. Okay, so first, go to the Socrative website at socrative.com and log into your account as a teacher. Once you're at the home page, click on the Quizzes tab at the top left to go to the Quizzes page. There, you can click on Add on the far right to add a new quiz. There are 3 types of questions that you can choose from: multiple choice, true or false, and short answer. Once you've chosen the question type, you can go right on to creating your questions. What's cool about Socrative is that you can include the justification or further elaboration about the correct answer for students to read. You can also customize your questions by adding pictures to make it more fun and informative. It's also important to note that you can include all 3 types of questions in one quiz if you so choose. Once you've finished adding questions, just click Save and Exit on the top right, and your quiz is now done. All you need to do now is click on the Launch tab and launch your quiz. Choose the quiz that you want to launch, click Next, and choose the method of delivery and settings, which are customizable. And you are live! So go to the Rooms tab and click on Share in order to get a link for your students to join the class and take your quiz. Your student will click on the link you've shared and enter their name to begin the quiz. No signing up or logging in is required. It's that easy. Then they will just answer the quiz questions as per usual. One thing that I would like to highlight is Socrative's live tracking feature. While students are answering the quiz, you as the teacher can monitor their answers in real time. How cool is that? Just click on the Results tab and you'll be able to see the students' answers as they attempt the quiz. To make the quiz more fun and encourage some friendly competition, Socrative also has a feature called Space Race. Here, students will be able to see themselves and their classmates go head-to-head during the quiz. They even have the cutest icons to choose from. I like the unicorn the best. Another unique feature that Socrative offers is the exit ticket. Here, students will be able to give their honest feedback for the teacher at the end of the lesson or the quiz. In this exit ticket, students will answer questions pertaining to the day's lesson and whether they understood something or what the teacher could have done better. This is such an important tool as teachers will be able to see what they're doing right or wrong. Mandrate in 2018 even argues that having constant feedback from students can expose teachers to any misconceptions that students have had when learning, and it also opens up a dialogue between students and teachers. It also gives students a chance to practice their learner autonomy, which is important in aiding their success in their academic career. Learners who are able to practice their autonomy have also been shown to increase their self-confidence. With all of these features, it's no wonder Socrative is rated a 4.5 stars out of 5 across multiple platforms. One thing that I do hope to see from Socrative in the future is a feature for parents to be more involved. As of right now, parents are able to access their child's account using a code given to them by their child, but that's about it. It would be a huge advantage if Socrative chooses to develop a feature where parents are able to have their own account to monitor their child's progress or even communicate with the teachers. Studies have shown that parents who are more involved in their child's education can help foster a more positive attitude in their child and illustrate the importance of knowledge inside their children. And that's it. I hope this video has been useful for you on how to learn how to use it, and I hope that this opens a world of possibilities of implementing digital tools in the classroom. Thanks for watching.